We are going to go get boba. What the heck? Me and Chris are gonna attempt to make our own taco pie. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new here, we are just on our way out. It is a Sunday today and it is miraculously stopped raining outside, but it is still super freaking windy. But regardless, we want to get out of the house, so we are going to go get boba. Chris is already in the truck and ready to go, so I am just getting a few things and then we can go. I am super excited. I haven't had boba since the last time I had it on vlog with you guys. Like, it may not look that windy right now, but trust me, it's freaking windy.
We've just stopped to get Hannah some boba. Now she's in there. We're just gonna wait for her and then maybe go get an Americano after. And then I don't know, try and think of somewhere to take the dog and the kid, I think. Yeah. Georgia's all concerned now. Mom's missing. Skylar might pass out before we get there. But who knows? We'll fly by the seat of our pants today and just see what happens.
Can I get a brown sugar fresh milk with tapioca pearls? Sure. Yeah, that's everything. I tried to film when I was in there, but I think it was a super big fail. This is the one I've been wanting to try for so long now. It's brown sugar fresh milk with tapioca pearls. Chris just went into a little coffee stand over there to respect the drip to get a coffee or an iced coffee or something. And then it's super windy, so I don't think we're gonna go to the beach or anything like that, but we're gonna try to find somewhere to either sit down, like at a park or something, or maybe go for a walk somewhere that's not super windy. But we were bad pet parents today and we did forget George's leash, so we are not too sure what we're gonna get up to. But let's try our boba. Satisfying. Oh yeah, that was the move for sure. This one is so good. It literally, what the heck? This literally tastes like oatmeal and brown sugar, but like not. I don't know. You know what I mean? Like when you put does anybody put milk and brown sugar on their oatmeal? Because this is exactly what that tastes like. Yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10. Also, Chris said that he vlogged while I was getting boba, so that'll be interesting to see, to say the least, when I'm editing this. What'd you get?
Nice Americano.
Very nice. We decided just to come to the exhibition grounds. It's a ginormous open field. They have Music Fest here. They usually have Rib Fest here. We used to have Movie Under the Stars here when I was going to school. And yeah, there's lots of buttercups. Skylar May is loving it, and so is Georgia.
Come on, Georgia.
Georgia, stay here. Skylar May, where are you going? She's on a mission. There's beautiful trails behind here too, but we might not go through them because it looks like their horses are out at the Therapeutic Riding Society right now. So we don't want, since we don't have Georgia's leash, we don't want her to stumble across a horse and spook it. Skylar May, what are you doing? Skylar, what's this? Skylar. Huh? think we're gonna try to go find the trails in there because it looks like the horses are just in their ring. So, I mean, George is a pretty good listener too. But yeah, let's see if we can find a trail. I haven't been in those back trails since probably like high school. Skylar May. She's all muddy now. Oh yeah. Nice. We should have known better. Woohoo! Muddy girl.
Oh my goodness.
We are back home now. Skylar May was asleep, but she woke up during the transfer from the truck to the bed. So she's just having a snack right now and will hopefully go back down for her nap. What is going on with my hair? The wind just literally took it away. Chris just went to go do a quick dump run because we forgot garbage on Monday and missed it. That was my bad. The kitchen is a bit of a mess right now. As you guys can see, the sink is full of dishes behind me. I'm trying to block it by standing in front of it. So I am going to unload and reload the dishwasher to get the sink nice and clean. For once, I do not have laundry, guys. I did it all last night, so I wouldn't have to do it today, but I do have dishes, so the chores are never ending. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I think I'm gonna make myself something to eat too because I'm starving. I realized that the only thing that I've had to eat today is boba, and I don't think that counts because boba's a drink. Being so aggressive. Me and Chris are gonna attempt to make our own taco pie. So first things first, gotta cook the beef. What?
What?
What'd you say?
Nothing.
First step is to what? Beat your meat?
Mince the meat.
I'm actually super stoked because we got a value-sized taco seasoning kit when I was grocery shopping the other night. Because we go through those little packages so fast, so now we won't run out for a little while. But yeah, we didn't have a round tin, so we are going to use this one and just double layer it. Hey, what? Can you two stop arguing on the vlog, please? Stop
Always
it.
have the last word, hey?
She really does. Anyways, like I was saying, we're gonna do layer by layer. So meat, cheese, which is in the fridge right now, and then sour cream, salsa, and just see if we can make like 2 or 3 layers. Put some cheese and stuff on top. Serve it with sour cream. I think it's gonna be really good. I've only had the ones in the pre-made kits. I've never made my own, so I think it's gonna be really good. Her new favorite thing is singing Baba Black Sheep, but I cannot get her to do it on camera. I think I caught a little bit of it on Snapchat earlier, so I'll try to insert those clips here. Baba Black Sheep. We beg for Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below for more content like this. You say, but until then, we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye-bye. I wonder, what if? Let's try. Something you learned off Sesame Street. Let's try. Bye-bye.